Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Potatoes are truly a kitchen staple, offering amazing versatility and ease in cooking. You can transform these humble vegetables into a delightful array of dishes with minimal effort. Whether you are a beginner in the kitchen or just short on time, learning simple potato techniques will open up a world of quick, delicious meals. Let's unlock the secrets to perfect potatoes together. Choosing the right potato makes a big difference for your dish. For example, russets are perfect if you want those classic crispy fries or incredibly fluffy mashed potatoes. If you're aiming for a creamy texture that still holds its form, Yukon Golds are an excellent choice for roasting. And for firm, waxy potatoes that excel in boiling or salads, red potatoes are your best bet. Knowing your spuds elevates your cooking. Preparing your potatoes correctly is crucial for delicious results. Begin by always giving them a good wash to remove any dirt. Next, consider if you want to peel them. Sometimes the skin adds great flavor and nutrients, but it really depends on your dish. Most importantly, cut all your pieces to a similar size. This ensures they cook evenly, giving you a consistent, satisfying texture every time. Two of the simplest ways to cook potatoes are roasting and boiling, each offering unique benefits. Roasting them yields a wonderfully crispy outside with a soft, fluffy inside, perfect for a hearty side. Boiling, on the other hand, is ideal for achieving that melt-in-your-mouth creaminess needed for mashed potatoes or for creating tender pieces for salads. Remember, sometimes, just a simple sprinkle of salt and pepper is all you need for incredibly delicious results. Once your potatoes are cooked, simple additions can truly transform their flavor. A quick sprinkle of fresh herbs like rosemary or parsley adds brightness and aroma. For a bit more zest, consider a dash of garlic powder, some smoky paprika, or even a tiny pinch of chili flakes for warmth. Potatoes are incredibly versatile. They can be a comforting side dish or even the main attraction of a wonderfully easy weeknight meal. Enjoy your simple creations.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.